So hey, hello everyone. I hope you are all doing really fine. So let me start what this video or this series is going to be all about. So when I was working on a project that included a Supabase, that included the Supabase, I was facing quite a lot of issues when I was like implementing like authentication and provider and login, logout, sign up providers. I've faced quite a lot of problems. So I decided why not when I fixed the issues, I decided why not make a solution for you guys so that many of you who are using the Supabase, I'm sure you guys are also facing the problem. So for you guys, I decided to like create a series of Next.js and Supabase where I will be teaching you guys how to use Next.js with Supabase. I will be showing you from the scratch and in videos, just short videos, not so long, not so short, just like covering the important part on every videos where you guys will be able to learn how to implement a particular type of things. And if you guys why don't you guys just let me know what I missed in the video, so I will try to cover it in the next video. So, without a further ado, let's go. Let's begin. So, what we are going to actually do is like we are going to check uh, how can we install Supabase with Next.js. So, first of all, we are going to install Next.js. So, let's go to the Next.js uh, box and we'll go to the get started. And here we'll just see what it is all about. So, uh, okay, so what we can do is we can like go to the installation, and from the installation we can go like just like simply copy the command. We can copy the command or we can just simply write it. So I'm actually using the Hyper terminal for Windows. So okay, so here we can do is like npx create or just create a new directory on a folder. Now here we can write our command. So it is create like we can like just copy it from the site as well. So I will just try to paste it, and then I'll create a new directory which is known as 01. Okay, so it is, we can call it lesson 01. So we can create it, and then when I hit the enter, it will ask me a few questions. So taking them, I will do yes, and then okay, okay, my bad. Let's do it like this. We will going to use TypeScript, yes. We are going to use ESLint, that's true. Tailwinds, yes, okay, yes. SRC directory, no, we are not going to use SRC directory. We are going to use app router, yes. And okay, we can do it for no for now. We don't need it right now. So we'll install the video. Meanwhile, I'm going to pause the video, and when it's done, I'll begin. Okay guys, so here you can see that the installation part is done. So now what we can do is we can like go check so we have the directory created here. We can go to the lesson 1 and we can do ls here. So this is just a simple directory. I'm gonna open it in the Visual Studio, Visual Studio Code. So here it is. We have our code in the Visual Studio. So yep, I trust the author because it's me. So now what we can do is we can try to run the simple command to run our application. So npm run dev. So when we run this, we will go to the like we will get simple localhost 3000. We can copy it. This is just some basic stuff that you guys have already done. I'm not stretching it very much so that I won't take much of your time. So So this is the simple next step that how it's look like. So yeah, we are okay with that. We are good to go. So the next step is we are going to install the Supabase. So before installing this, like we can go to the supabase.com and see what it is. So it is basically a open source Firebase alternative. Start your project with Postgres database. As you all know, the Supabase uses Postgres database. We can do it authentication. We can create APIs and like use it instantly without much time wasting. Edge functions, real-time subscriptions, storage, and vector embedding. So these are some like really important things in like since we have OpenAI and many others things that we include in our daily day-to-day projects. So what we can do is we can like create start our new project, or we can go and read the documentation. So I'm going to create a new tab and I'm going to open it in it. So for now I'm going to see what we can do is, so we can see like how we are going to start. So here are a few things, okay, so that we are going to do. We are going to get a little bit of knowledge first. So framework quick start, so we are using Nextjs, so we will select Nextjs. So here it is like giving us how we can create a table and how we can insert the values. So this is just basic uh, command line things, and this is not actually command line thing. This is the code that we can write in our API. So we are not going to touch it for now. What we can do is we can just we can just simply go to the here, and we can start the new project. So to create a new project, we can just simply go to the new project area, and we can choose the organization. Since I have already created an organization by my name, okay, so here you can see it. Can click on it, and here we can set up the organization and project name. So this is like for Next.js Supabase. So here's a, and we can write a password for our database. So we can, so this is what we are going to keep it for now. Okay, so that's not an issue. I'm going to add a few keywords at the end so that keeps it stays safe. So here I have done this, and now to select the region, you guys can select the closest to near you, and it doesn't matter much, because this is not a very scalable project. It's not going to be a very scalable project. It's going to be a very simple and easy project where I'm going to teach you how we can use Supabase. So for now I'm going to select South Asia Mumbai because it's nearest to me, and then we can like skip it and create new project. Okay, so we have created a new project. So what now it has done is it has given us two things. Here we have we can like read the client docs for more better understanding. Uh, Client libraries, this, and this. Okay, so we don't need it for now. We don't need it for now. We what we need is you are going to open a new tab, and here you are going to write Supabase docs. So when you go to the Supabase docs, you can just simply click on the first link, and here you're going to go getting started, and from here you're going to click on the web app tutorials, and in the web app tutorials you're going to see the Next.js Next.js line. Click on it, and from here it is going to be very simple, very easy, very straightforward. We are just going to follow what the instruction Supabase is given to us, so we can like install our app and get started with. So for now, we can just go down, go down, go down. And when you come here, building the app, we are going to see we have already done this thing. Okay, so it's not an issue. So when you see this, then installing the Supabase client library. Client library is like really important to install in order to use the Supabase. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy the code. You're going to your terminal, and in your terminal, you're going to open a new tab. You don't have to close it. You can open just simply the new app, and you're going to uh, what was the folder name? My bad. Okay, it's Nextjs Supabase. Nextjs Supabase, and here we are going to we have lesson one, and here we can like simply run our code that we have copied, and we can wait once it is done. And since it is going on, we can go ahead and create a local .env file in our application, and to do that, we go to our VS Code that we have already opened. You can go here, and on the root of the folder you can either double click or you can just right click here or new file, and here in the new file you can like write dot env and click enter. So inside the env, what you're going to do, you're going to copy these things. So you're going to paste it. And now coming back to your uh, API setting page where you have where you have been redirected after the installation part, you're going to copy the URL. Okay, so it is the URL where everything will be get redirected whenever you are working with the Supabase app. So you're going to come here and paste it. You can paste it like this in the string, and for anon key, you are going to get it from here. This is the anon key that you have. You can copy it and you can come and paste it here like that. So I'm gonna text wrap it Alt Z. So here we have this, and I'm going to close it like this. So since we have done this, we have got this. We have initialized. Uh, okay, so we created the .env file. We have implemented all the settings. So let's see what it is asking us to do next. So here it is asking us to install the Supabase auth helpers. These are important for the authentication part. You will guys see it later. You can copy it here, and you can go to your terminal and you can paste it here and enter. Okay, so here it is. Here we have. So guys, in this video, I've basically taught you the most basic things, nothing like super rocket science, nothing much, just how you can create a Next.js app and how you can initialize the Supabase in your project. So for this video, I'm going to stop right here, and you guys keep following me on this, and I will complete the whole Next.js Supabase series. Also, I will be creating videos on demand, like if you want to learn anything specific, I will be creating video on that as well. So for now, I'm going to finish it right here, and I will carry on from here in the next video. Peace out.